Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorials. In this video, you learn how to clone template in BoldSign so you can create a new version without modifying the original. Cloning helps you make changes safely while keeping your main template intact. You may have existing templates that you need to update or adjust without affecting the original version. Sometimes you only need a slightly different version. Maybe just one or two small changes. Recreating a template from scratch takes time and increases the risk of errors, especially when you have to copy and paste identical details. This slows down your workflow and creates inconsistencies, particularly when multiple teams rely on the original template. BoldSign solves these challenges with the Clone Template feature. This feature lets you duplicate a template exactly as it is and make any adjustments you need without altering the original. It's especially useful when you need to update a template that other teams are currently using, ensuring the base version remains intact. You can choose to clone the template with or without existing form field values, giving you full flexibility when creating a customized or updated version. Imagine an HR manager who already has an employee survey template but needs a slightly updated version. The manager simply clones the template and makes the updates, keeping the original untouched. Let me show you how this works. Log into your BoldSign account, expand the template menu, and select All Templates. This page displays all templates you have created, as well as those shared with you. Select the template you want to duplicate. Open its context menu and choose the Clone Template option. A Clone Template dialog box appears with two options. Choosing without form field values creates a clone template with empty fields. Choosing with form field values retains all existing fields along with their default values. Back to our scenario, the HR manager wants the cloned version to include all form fields with their default details. To do this, select With Form Field Values and click Clone. BoldSign duplicates the template and navigates to the prepared document page of the cloned version. From this page, you can update the file, adjust roles, modify template details, and make any required field changes. Continuing with our scenario, the recruitment manager updates the template title, description, roles, and any additional details. Review the remaining sections and click Next. On the Configure Fields page, all fields and their default values remain intact. Additional fields can be added or removed as needed. Once everything looks correct, save the template by selecting Save Template. And that's it. Cloning templates in BoldSign makes it easy to update documents, create template variations, and protect original versions while keeping your workflow efficient and organized. Cloning supports safe updates, reduces rework, and maintains consistency across teams. If you found this tutorial helpful, click like and subscribe for more BoldSign how-to videos. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more BoldSign tutorials.